Just in from Vans. They're on an animal trend recently. These are the Birds pack. They are a Vans Authentic with birds on them, of course. The Authentic is the one without the padding on the interior of the shoe, more along the lines of a Decon if you were looking at a Nike product. Both colors, very nice. These are from the California line. The Vans California line lately has been very, very good. A lot of nice product coming out of those. One of their better lines, if not the better one this year. Dropping in certain shops and Vans online, Vans.com. Ortholite wicks away the moisture from the inside. Made to help out during the hot summer days. Also, these have that surf style sole. That we see from time to time. Light blue complements the navy colorway. The white strings go well. Overall, a very good set. When I saw these, I knew I wanted them. The pictures online make them out to be more of a brighter colorway. I think this darker canvas here, the flat style with the birds overall, is a much better look. A much better representation. A nice package. Coming in navy and in hunter green. We'll get to the hunter green here shortly. Had to get both of these. A sick pack. As always, you can find me, samcolt12.com, also on Google+, Instagram, and Vidi. Passed on the Trouts, did not pass on the Birds pack. Got them both. And very happy that I did.